Hello, everybody. My name is Brianna, and thank you for joining me for this 10-minute rainy day yoga flow. It happens to be raining right now, so I feel inclined to just do a nice, gentle flow. So I'm going to get started in a tabletop posture, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. You're going to create these circles with the wrists and the knees, sending the hips to the left. Inhale as the chest comes forward. Exhale as it goes back. Maybe you get a little bit more dramatic, really sending the hips to the heels of your feet. Walking the hands out a bit more. You press the pelvic bone down. Take your time in this direction because when we do on one side, we must do on the other. Hips going to the left. One more round. As the hips go back, let's hold in that child's pose for a second. Nice. Now we're going to go in that opposite direction. So sending the hips to the left first, but they're going to the right now. This way. Ooh, yeah. It's opposite direction. You can start off slow if you want to. If you want to get straight into that dramatic movement, you can. Pressing the pelvic bone down as you inhale. The chest is open. You always want to take a nice inhale when the chest is open. Nice. Send the hips back. Child's pose. Melt the forehead on the mat. You're walking your hands away from you. Send those hips to the heel of your feet. Really stretch the spine out here. If it's raining where you're at, try connecting to the raindrops if you hear them. Nice. Inhale. Exhale out the mouth. We're going to float the chest up, tabletop. We're going to lift the left arm up. We're going to thread the needle. So open up the chest, left arm up to the ceiling. Now you're going to thread that hand behind this right hand coming down. Lower the left shoulder, left ear. Extend the right arm. Thread the needle. Alright, slowly draw that right hand under the right shoulder. Unravel, open back up. Come out of that pose the way you got into it. Now opposite side. Right ear to the mat, right shoulder to the mat. Giving yourself permission to just be. Nice. Draw that left hand under the left shoulder. Press, open up. And let's get back into that child's pose. Walk the hands over to the left side of the mat. And walk the hands over to the right. Staying connected to the breath. And then walk the hands back to center. We're going to walk the hands towards you because we're going to extend the legs out. meeting me in a seated posture, the long ways on your mat. So we're going to have the legs extended out in front of you. We're going to place the hands behind us, fingers facing forward. Draw the shoulders back, lift the chest up, release the head back. Take a few rounds of breath here. Maybe there's a slight bend in the elbows. Maybe you are straightening them and bending them, just seeing what feels good. Maybe one arm at a time. All right, come to a still position here. We're going to lift the hips up. So balancing on the heels, basically, just about. So inhale, lift, press the arms. Maybe release the head back. Nice integrity in the shoulders here. Hold for 3 rounds of breath. Point the toes away from you. And on that last exhale, slowly release. We're going to walk the hands. Just to reset. I'm going to do that again, but I just want to reset. Alright, place the hands behind you again. Draw the shoulders back, lift the chest, and lift. Point those toes, release the head back. Three breaths. Engage that core. Try zipping up the core and the spine like it's all one. Hold. And on that last exhale, release. Nice. Go ahead and release the shoulders to the mat. Hug the knees in. I'm gonna rock side to side here. Nice. Plant the feet on the floor. You come into a figure 4. Kick that left leg up. You're gonna rest that on your right knee. And take your hands, place them through this hole, lift up. Either holding behind the thigh, or if you like to deepen that stretch, grabbing a hold of the shin and pull towards you. You're in charge of how deep this stretch is, so pull tight. If you can. And release. I'm going to get that other leg. Kick the right leg up. And lift. And pull towards you. Nice, and release. We're going to tap the toes onto the mat. Nice and gentle. Hug the knees into the chest. Tuck the chin. Giving gratitude to the legs, to the knees, to the feet, the ankles, the toes. And extend, finding that final pose, Shavasana. Take a few rounds of breath here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You're going to slowly curl over to your favorite side, using your arm as a pillow. And slowly peel the body up. Take the arms up overhead. And slowly move the palms through heart center. And namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute rainy day yoga flow. Hopefully you don't have to go right outside and you're able to just slow down your start of day. and take advantage of this quick flow. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. If you know anybody that could use a little bit of yoga in their life, please share this video with them. Please know that you are whole, complete, and lacking nothing. And being a part of your journey, I'm so grateful to be a part of. And me being a part of yours, I don't take lightly. So, until next time, bye. I said that all wrong.